How are you all doing? So I had a pretty long day today, and I was actually discussing a case with one of my friend. This case was pretty interesting, and although I was thinking that I'll first do some videos on guesstimates, and then I'll come to basically I'll talk about different frameworks and how different frameworks are used to crack a case. Uh, but while I was discussing this case with my friend, I found it to be pretty interesting, and then I thought maybe I'll just share the solution, the basic solution we discussed, and then uh, I mean, if somebody needs it, you can go through it, and if somebody wants to go through step by step understanding guesstimate, then framework, and then come to case, then it's your choice. So I've just created a short PPT, and I'll share this with you, and hope it helps you. Okay, so let's start. So the problem statement that was given is a major airport has been recently facing a decline in its revenue, and I was supposed to analyze and find out the reason for this decline. Okay, so whenever there is a question like this profitability decline, so always keep this in back of your mind that declining revenue and declining profitability, these two are two different things. Okay, so just keep this in mind, and always whenever a case comes, I would suggest that if let's say a case is totally new to you, please keep thinking from the first principle, so at least it will help you cover most of the variables which are required to solve that case. Okay, so I'll just take you through the tree which I made. So first of all, airport revenues. Okay, so what are the different revenue streams for this airport? Okay, then I started exploring. First was airline fee. Okay, second was hoarding and advertisements that different brands put, a huge banners they put inside the premise of airport, and also I mean just before entering the airport you must be seeing. So I last time I thought, I think I when I visited Kolkata airport, I saw whole HUL brand hoardings there. So such kind of things. Third is shops and stores. So you must be knowing that there are shops, and bigger the airport, more the revenue stream from these shops and stores, liquor stores, bookstores, and all these kind of stores. Okay. The other one is the lounges. So yeah, they add to the revenue stream. And then in miscellaneous, I basically I inquired from the person who was coordinating the case that do you want me to consider any other revenue streams also. Okay, and then I started inquiring that in which of the revenue stream have you seen the recent decline happening. Okay, so basically I covered all the revenue streams, and then to narrow down my the area where this airport is facing the real problem, I will again ask the sorry, the case coordinator to help me narrow down this. So I was told that this is related to shops and stores. Okay, now in shops and store area, how the airport generates revenue? First is the fixed rent it takes from shops and stores. Second is basically the commission it gets from whatever the shop is selling. Some part of that revenue comes to the airport as a commission. Okay. Third is the sales itself. So why I put these two in two different boxes is this is the percentage of sales and multiplied by the total sales figure. Okay. So yeah. Now, yes, and this multiplied by the number of shops. Okay, so each of these are, if you see, drivers of revenue stream. Okay, so more the number of shops, more will be the revenue. More the sales, more will be the revenue. More percentage of sales I'm charging, more will be the revenue. More the fixed rent, more will be the revenue. So these are kind of each of these are drivers of the revenue for airport. Okay, from this category, shops and stores. Now, I again inquired that Was there a recent decline in the fixed rent the airport is charging? Answer was no. Has the percentage of sales as a commission, has this changed? So maybe airport has lowered down the percentage of sales it was charging. So the answer was no. Then the number of shops is also constant only. So the only variable that was left out was the sales itself. Okay. Now, why should the sales of a store or a shop inside the airport decline? Okay. Now, this can be uh, due to multiple reasons. So let's figure out. So I listed down few reasons. First was, so actually first should have been the airplane traffic. I mean, going by the first principles. So has the number of customers who are visiting the shop, has that number only decreased? So this should be the first variable. So while making this PPT, I just jumbled it up anyway. So first, has the airline traffic decreased? Okay. So if lesser number of planes are landing due to any reason, let's say, so let's say if this case was considered for last 1 year, so due to COVID, if you see, the airplane traffic has decreased drastically. Okay, so if the people only are not coming to the shop, how will they buy? Sales are bound to go down. Okay, but this case was not specific to this COVID time. So yeah, so one was airplane traffic, has it reduced or not? So it hasn't reduced. Second is, has the operating time for say this shops and stores changed? So let's say earlier shop was open 24/7. Now it is open only 18 hours or 15 hours or 10 hours. So that can also affect. So it was a no. The operating time didn't change. Third was, uh, are there any recent rules regarding the airport that has changed? Okay, and the fourth was average spending per person. So this was after assuming that uh, a certain number of people reach the store and they all buy something, and we take an average of all those people, that what is the average spending. Okay, so again I inquired that where should I focus, I mean in terms of this problem, on which variable should I focus. So I was told that yes, there was a change, a recent change in the rules of the airport. Okay, now then I actually got to know that recently what the airport had done was, it had fixed a time uh, a time slot for basically, if you are boarding a flight at, let's say, 5 is your boarding time, you can only enter the airport uh, before 2 hours or something like that. Okay, so it basically uh, cut the time during which you could enter the airport and maybe enjoy the premises, enjoy the lounge, or maybe roam around. Okay, so since the time within the airport the average person was spending, that was cut by rule, so people were spending less time inside the airport, and since they were spending less time inside the airport, they were maybe so people who were visiting lounge, they directly rushed to the lounge. Other people were kind of caught in this security boarding and all that thing. So all those things happened. So basic problem was, since the time spent by a person inside the airport was cut by rule, so it eventually affected the sales happening at the stores. Okay, so this was the problem. So yeah, I found it pretty interesting. So, and yeah, to the recommendation part, I would like you to figure out that what you will recommend, and also if you see that I should have included some more variables to basically I mean create a MISI, so mutually exclusive and collectively exhaustive. So what all other variables I could have included at each of these stage. So if any suggestion is there, you can maybe write down it in comments. And I hope this uh, the tree I have created, I hope this helps you. And for easy reference, if you want to take a screenshot of this, so anyway, I have displayed it for long enough at the end of this video. So you can just take a screenshot of this and maybe save it in your folder where you can directly go and refer to it, and you will have a list of cases with just a screenshot where you can just refer the tree you need to make. Okay, the tree you need to make while solving a case. So yeah, this was it. Happy weekends. Bye.